Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be replacing the standard halogen backup bulb with F150 LEDs. If you're like me and do a lot of backing up and hooking up the trailers in the dark, then you know how important it is to have a good bright backup light. In this video I'll also be showing you how to remove your tail light assembly without breaking the clips, and I'll do a side-by-side comparison of the standard halogen backup bulb compared to F150 LEDs, so stick around. The tools that you're going to need are your F150 LED backup bulbs, and I'll leave a link in the description how to find your F150 LEDs, so check them out. You're also going to need a cordless screwdriver with a 5/16 inch bit on the end. The first step you want to do is remove these two bolts. And now for this step, you want to take your taillight assembly and pull it straight back. There's a clip up in here and two on the sides. Take and grab a hold of it and pull straight back until it pops out. Now to remove your bulb, it's going to be the center bulb. Simply give it a quarter turn counterclockwise. You can remove it. Go ahead and just pull your bulb out. Take your F150 LEDs out of the package. They come packaged really nicely. Simple to remove. Be careful not to touch the diodes. Now take your bulb and simply press it back in. Now to replace the bulb, you're going to want to line up these slots with the slots on the sides of your bulb harness, and then give it a quarter turn clockwise and lock it in place. Now to reassemble your taillight assembly, be sure and tuck your wires up inside, and then insert these clips, one in here, then your two on the sides, and then give it a push in. You can hear it lock into place. Final step is to replace these two bolts. Here's a look at the backup lights with the standard halogen bulbs. Here's a look at the backup camera with the standard halogen bulbs. The backup bulb on the left driver's side is F150 LEDs. And the backup bulb on the right passenger side is your standard halogen. And here's a look at the backup bulbs with F150 LEDs. Here's a look at the backup camera with F150 LEDs installed. And here's a side-by-side comparison of the standard halogen backup bulbs versus F150 LEDs. As you could see in the video, there was quite a difference between the standard halogen backup bulb and F150 LEDs. If you're in the market for upgrading your lighting on your F150 truck, check out F150 LEDs for all your lighting needs. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get yours. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.